Hi guys, it's Beth. Welcome to my channel and welcome to the Sheetload reveal. Call Me Crafty Owl puts out a Sheetload of Cards sketch every month, and it includes a cut list and supply list and the sketch, everything you need to create a quick and fun batch of cards. And this month's particular sketch happens to be a mini slimline card. This is the first time I've ever made one of these, and it was really fun. And the benefit of the slimline is that it fits into like your little normal letter size envelope. So that makes it very convenient. Everybody has these on hand. And this month's sketch made 10 cards. And you can see she gives you the supply list, cut list, everything you need. The information, where you can find the link to find out more information about how to get the Sheetload sketch, will be listed in the description box below. And this is my version of the April 2021 Sheetload. I used paper from the Echo Park Spring collection, and just fun springy colors. And for my card, I used that floral, kind of large floral background as my kind of card mat piece for all 10 of my cards. Normally for Alicia's sketch, she has you cut like half of, each layer that you need from, each pattern. So you would have half of the floral background and half of the green background. So one deviation I made to her sketch is I made all of my cards with that floral background. And then I just used the green strip kind of as my pop of color for all of them. And that's just because I thought that I don't know, I really loved the floral, and so I kind of wanted to highlight that. So the other variation I did is once I stamped my sentiment, I realized it didn't stand out very well from that floral background with the white background. And so I just took a black fine tip pen and went around it, did some faux stitching to help it stand out a little bit more. And I think that really helped. It kind of brought that sentiment strip out quite a bit. And then the other deviation that I made from her sketch was that she called for 3 little circles kind of on the far right hand side of the sentiment. And since I added the faux stitching, I kind of felt like it didn't need anything else over there, so I actually added mine up above. And these are just little vinyl circles that I cut from scrap vinyl. I haven't added anything onto the inside yet. But again, I will link the information for Call Me Crafty Owl's channel below, and I will also include a list of all the other collaboration team members. It's so fun to see how we all do different variations on the same sketch. But that is my 10 cards for this month's Sheetload sketch. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, got some inspiration. Please be sure to check out Call Me Crafty Owl's Sheetload. They are so fun to use, and it makes it so easy to make a quick batch of cards, for any occasion that you may need. But I thank you guys so much for your time today, and I hope you're all having a very crafty day.